Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be painting an accordion. It's going to be going the Texas flag colors. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to do it, how I'm going to place the star, and it'll be painted candy also. So let's just get to it. First of all, I got myself a Scotch-Brite, scuffed it all down, making sure that everything has been sanded and everything has been covered that I don't want paint to go into. Alright, so after that, I'm going to be applying some adhesion promoter to assure that the paint's going to stick to the accordion. The gun I'm going to be using is from Atom X Mini X16. Here it is. Let me open it up and show you the gun. Alright, here it is. This is a Mini X16 from Atom, and real nice. So let's just get started, fill it up with some paint, start painting. There it is. I applied 2 coats of adhesion promoter, waiting 10 minutes in between each coat. They're ready to go. Let's just mix the paint, start painting it. If you're wondering what all these little toothpicks are for, I'm just covering up the holes where the screws go. I don't want to clog it up, and it's going to be hard for the customer to put back together. So that's what it is. Alright, there it is after 3 full wet coats. There you go. Let's go to the next step. Okay, before we go to the next step, the only place I need the white paint is halfway. Halfway is going to be candy blue, the other one is going to be white. On this one, I only need it right there for the name that's going to be going with. All this, the rest of the accordion is going to be going blue. All this portion. All this is going to be going blue, candy blue. But I need the white so that I can reveal the star that's going to be going by the buttons. Alright, but it's a lot easier to paint the whole thing one solid color and go from there. Alright, the next step is either to add clear coat, cover it up, so that you can put the graphics, but you're gonna have to let it set and then scuff it down or sand it down, put the graphics that are gonna go to the accordion and go from there. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using INTERCOAT clear. This one, if it doesn't pass 24 hours, you don't have to scuff it down. You just tape it up and continue with the build. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply some INTERCOAT clear and let it set. Then I'll come back and tape it up and do the rest of the build. All right, I applied 3 full wet coats of the INTERCOAT clear. I'm just gonna let it dry for about a couple of hours and come back, start taping up the decals and start painting the candy. All right, let's continue. This is the following day. It has not been 24 hours, so I don't have to sand it. I already covered what's gonna be going white, and I already added the decals. This side of the name is going to be going red. This is going to be going red. All right, here we go. The silver I'm going to be using for the candy is going to be from Grant 7, and it's called Liquid Diamond. Real nice color, guys. If you haven't seen this color in action, real nice. You're going to see the pop that it brings out with the candy. But this is what I'm going to be using. Here we go, guys. The gun I'm going to be using for the candy is going to be the A50 Beyond Nova. This is a real nice gun. I'm going to leave all the information in the description below where you can get all these materials, including the guns that I have been using. So let's just get started, start applying the silver. Let's go with that candy. There you go, the silver is already applied, 3 coats. Now the other part, I did apply the silver. I removed it because I don't want to get any contaminants from the candy blue. But everything's good. The little drums are ready. Let's start applying that candy blue first. Right, for the candy red, I'm going to be using candy red from Inspire Auto Brush Paints. I'll leave all the information in the description below to all these. These are concentrated, so you got to mix them with some INTERCOAT clear or clear coat. There it is, candy red. It's been applied. The tape from the white has been removed. Now, all I gotta do is clear coat it. There it is. Real nice. All right, there it is. Now all I gotta do is just let it dry and take it back to the customer. He's gonna assemble it back and start playing. All right, this will be it for this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you very much for being on my channel. I really appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up, hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. There are much more videos to come. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Thank you guys. Like always, God bless.